Alright, so I have the 1988 Kx125. It's the cylinder right here. I'm taking the head studs out. I've got 2 out so far, and I'm going to show you the double nut method and how I do it. Basically, you just take one nut, you thread it on backwards like this, so that the flange of the nut is sticking upwards. And then I thread it all the way down. You get another nut, flange down, so put it on the regular way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten these 2 nuts to go, like, tighten them together. So I'm going to put a wrench on the bottom, and I'm going to impact up top, and what that does, it locks the nuts together, and that'll let you reverse the stud out. So I'll show you what I do. Ready? Should be able to see. Okay, got them on. Get the wrench, put it on the bottom. Tighten down pretty good up top. I'll go a little more just in case. Okay, I should be able to reverse this out. Just like that. That's a stud. Same thing for all 5 of them, however many your cylinder has, and just like that.